Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a big chop and we're also going to be putting in some
The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off.
Shout out to them people.
YouTube, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm going to share with you guys a half up, half down braided sew-in that I did. And this hair was provided to me by Longqi hair. It's the same hair that I used in my wig that I did with the hot glue gun, and I actually ended up ripping it apart because, long story short, the wig was too big. I didn't really fit it to my head. I just made it on top of the mannequin head. So guys, it was a nightmare. Like I could not get that wig to work. So I ended up pulling the wig apart, just pulling the tracks off that wig, and it was actually super easy. I pulled it off, picked the hair glue off, and I'm gonna be using that to create this style. So in the front, I'm just doing feed-in braids, and then I'm gonna pull this all up into a ponytail, and in the back section, I'm gonna be sewing in some tracks. Once I'm done with those braids, I'm going to connect the ends all together and just rubber band the bottom of that and cut off the excess hair. And then I'm going to be taking a big hair tie, and I'm going to be wrapping it around of the base of this ponytail, and this is how I'm going to get height for the genie ponytail part. And I actually learned this from a new YouTuber that I came across. His name is Lonnie B. He's like super bomb at doing like genie ponytails and stuff. And so yeah, just a quick tip from him. And I actually ended up putting 2 of these big hair ties because I wanted this ponytail to sit up fairly high. Next, I'm just sectioning out a part of her leave out for the sew-in section, and I'm going to be braiding the back of her hair in a circle. And guys, I really don't do a lot of weaves. Like, I took it off my website just because like I'm still kind of practicing and learning how to do them. So yeah, I'm just like sewing these tracks in, but this is why I don't have like a lot of sewing tutorials, really just on myself, because I don't typically do sew-ins on other people. But yeah, I'm doing it for this hairstyle. I only put the needle through the weft, like when I first start the track off. Everything else is going underneath the weft and underneath the braid. So to create the ponytail, I'm going to be taking a styling strip and I'm wrapping it around the braid, and this is because I'm going to be gluing the tracks on, and I just prefer the glue on method just because it's like a lot faster for me and it holds really good. But you can also sew it on, or you know, however you choose to do it. So once I'm putting the styling strip on, I'm going to go ahead and secure it with some rubber bands just to make sure that none of her hair is exposed. If you need to use like a couple, then that's totally fine. Before I glue on the ponytail, I like to kind of set the braids and do her edges. So I'm going to go ahead and do her edges, and I'm using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control. And this is not like my favorite edge control to use, but I didn't have like anything else readily available. So I just used this, and I went ahead and sprayed it with the Got To Be Glued Free Spray and tied it down. I'm also going to be moussing the braids a little bit and just tying that down before I do the ponytail. So I'm not sure if you guys watched the half up, half down video that I did on myself, but if you haven't, then I am using the same method in that video. I'm just going to be taking the glue and putting it down the braid, and then taking the extensions and I'm wrapping it around basically the ponytail part. So when you fill the ponytail, like, you will be able to feel this small braid in there, but you won't be able to see it. And guys, like, this is just the easiest way for me to do it. So if you want to see this again, you guys can go ahead and look in the description section, and I will link that video to my half up, half down ponytail. And yeah. I'm just wand curling her hair, and I made sure that I blended her leave out in the back where the weave is, and that's pretty much it for this look. I have actually had this hair for a couple months now, and I didn't plan on like really reusing it again. So that's why I glued the ponytail on. But if you want to save the hair, it's best to sew it on just so you can use it again. But this hair holds like a beautiful curl. When I curled it on my wig, like, it stayed curled for like a week and a half. So I do love this hair. I haven't worn it for a couple months, but I've had it for a couple months, and I'm not mad at it at all. As always, you can find all the hair details in the description section and where you can purchase this hair. So make sure you guys check that out before you leave this video. So guys, this here is my finished look. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it if you love it. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
Guess who back in the house? Heels click clack in a bound.